Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khanera present.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Also present.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, now in the chapter circles, we have already discussed a lot about types of circles, sorry, parts of circles, and I have explained you everything. I have shown you the videos also. I have shown you the videos. Have I shown you the videos?
Yes, sir. Sir, in circles you have showed.
Yes. Okay, so you all understand all the parts of a circle now? Okay, so let's start doing
Sir.
the exercise 19.1. Okay, let us start doing it. So question A, it is to be done in the book only. You have to fill in the blanks. First part, a semicircle is dash of a circle. Semicircle क्या होता है? Dash of a circle.
Can I tell?
Yes, Aswa, tell the answer.
Sir, it's half of a circle.
Absolutely correct. Semicircle is half of a circle. So answer of the first part is half. सर्कल को हाफ कर देते हैं तो सेमी सर्कल बन जाता है, मालूम है ना आप सबको? So half is the answer of the first part. Write it in the book only. Write your answer in the book only. First part. Second part, a chord which passes through the center of the circle is called its, Bhakti will tell. A chord.
Sir, radius.
अरे सुनो
Radius.
सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. A chord that which passes through the center of the circle is called its diameter.
Sir, radius.
No, beta, it is diameter.
Diameter.
Diameter, sorry.
Answer of the second part is diameter. The chord that passes through the center is known as diameter. Okay. Radius is not a type of chord. Radius को हम chord क्यों नहीं बुला सकते? Can you tell me? Who's going to tell me?
So we cannot call it.
No.
So we cannot call it a chord because, sir, both of its ends are not touching the edges of the circle.
Perfect answer, because both of the end points of a radius are not touching the circle. One end point is at the circle and one end point of the radius is at the center of the circle. That is why a radius is not a chord. Chord के केस में क्या होता है? Both the end points are on the circle. So that is why we cannot call a radius a chord, but we can call a diameter a chord. Diameter is a type of chord. So diameter is that chord which passes through the center. Answer is diameter. Okay. Very good answer, Aswa. Third one.
Thank you, sir.
The third one, can I tell?
हाँ जी, please. The diameter is the longest dash. The diameter is the longest dash.
Chord.
Correct answer. Diameter is the longest chord. सबसे बड़ी chord कौन सी होती है? Diameter ही होती है. Okay. Fourth one. A circle is made up of circle किस चीज से बनता है? A circle is made up of set of points. Made up of a set of points. Okay. वैसे तो it can have many answers.
Okay, sir.
I don't know why they have given this question. What is the answer they have given in the book of this
Sir,
question?
it can also be 2 semicircles. Also
Yes.
4 quarters.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. So this question can have many answers. So it is a little confusing. No, in the book they are saying 360 degrees. ये answer भी सही है. A circle is made up of 360 degree angle. That is also correct. Aspa's answer is also correct. A circle is made up of 2 semicircles. A circle is made up of 4 quadrants. ये भी सही है. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. The answer that is given in the book is 360 degrees. Okay. You can write 360 degree. A quadrant is a dash circle. A quadrant is a dash circle.
Quarter of circle.
Yes, a quadrant is a quarter of a circle. Quarter of a circle. Quarter जानते हैं आप लोग? Half का भी half. Half का half
Yes, sir.
उसको
The
sin के गुणा
semicircle is half.
अगर हम सेमी सर्कल सॉरी एक सर्कल को हाफ करेंगे तो सेमी सर्कल बनेगा और सेमी सर्कल को भी हाफ कर देंगे तो क्या बनेगा? क्वार्टर. दैट इज नोन एज
So like of 30 of 60 degree there is a circle we half and one half is of 30 degree and then we fold it. So a quadrant is of 15 degree.
yes, correct. 1/4. 1/4 of something is known as quarter.
So while cooking, if we are copying the ingredients and writing them down, so sometimes it happens like 1/4 of baking powder or something.
Yes, absolutely correct. So generally we take measurements when we are cooking something. We take measurements of the ingredients like this only. Quarter of a glass of water or quarter of a cup of milk. Okay. So quarter means half of half. आधे का आधा.
Yes, sir.
Half of half is known as quarter. Okay. Sixth, an arc lies on the dash of the circle. An arc lies on the dash of the circle. Yes, Bhakti.
Circumference.
Correct. आर्क क्या होती है? सर्कल का एक पार्ट होता है. So it lies on the circumference of the circle. An arc lies on the circumference of the circle. Okay, question B we have to do in the copies. Okay.
Sir, after
Hmm.
so long in maths, we are doing written work inside our copies.
We were doing most of the work in the book, and few days I was absent, and few days we were watching videos. Everything was
Sir,
going.
you was absent or from 2 days?
Yes, I was absent yesterday and day before yesterday also. I was
Yeah.
absent.
So sir, your teacher not punish you if you were absent?
No, because I was not well, I gave an application. Got it, Abhiyan?
Got it, sir?
मेरी जान नहीं चली. I'm still not 100% fit, but पढ़ाने के लिए मैं फिर भी I am okay. It's fine. Sitting at home and
So,
teaching.
so get well soon.
Thank you. Now definitely I will get well soon. Wishes from children definitely work faster than anyone else. Question B. In each of the case, the diameter length of the diameter is given. You have to find what is the length of the radius. So first of all, write the length of the diameter. Let me show how you are going to do it. This is the first part of the question. Diameter is 12 centimeters. याद है आपको diameter और radius में relation? I am just showing it on the board. ठीक है? This is known as diameter. And radius क्या होता है? Radius is only half of the diameter. ये radius होती है, ये diameter.
Yes, sir.
याद है आपको? So diameter अगर 12 है
Sir,
तो
I
radius
remember.
हो जाएगा, half हो जाएगा. So we know that radius is equal to 1/2 multiplied by diameter, half of diameter. So R is equals to 1/2 into 12.
So this answer will be 6.
Correct. 6 centimeters.
So because 6 twos are 12, so that means 6
Absolutely
is
correct.
half of 12.
6 twos are 12. That means the radius is 6 centimeters. Have you all understood? आपको फिगर ड्रॉ नहीं करना है कॉपी में. Just note down this. Don't
Yes,
draw
sir.
any figure. Is it clear to everyone? I want an answer.
Sir, it's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Okay. Can you do all the
Sir,
parts?
clear.
Can you do all the parts?
Yes,
Second
sir.
part में बताऊं आपको? Do you want me
Yes,
to
sir.
tell you the second part? In second part, the
No,
diameter.
sir. Sir, we will do.
Okay.
So 6 part you can tell.
Okay.
So it has point.
Okay. Sixth part I'm telling. The answer of the second part will be in decimal. बताऊं मैं? Second part, the answer will be in decimal. चलो मैं सिक्स्थ पार्ट बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? अगर आपको सेकंड पार्ट में प्रॉब्लम आई, यू कैन आस्क मी. In the sixth part, the diameter is 15.5 centimeters. Radius is equal to, first we will write the formula. Radius is equal to half into diameter. That means d divided by 2. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write it in this manner also. Both the ways are correct. d divided by 2. Okay, half of diameter. So r is equals to 15.5 divided by 2. How you are going to do this? You will perform a division. 15.5 divided by 2, 7 times 14, remainder 1. Now, when you copy the first digit after decimal,
So after 7, there will be a decimal.
yes, after 7, there will be a decimal because you're copying a digit after decimal. Again, a 7 will come, it will become 14. 2 into 7 is 14. Remainder is 1. Now here the remainder is not 0, still the remainder is not 0. So we will add another 0 here because we have already copied, we have already written a decimal. So after writing a decimal, 1 0 can be added. It is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for it. 1 0 is free.
So
So
5
it
is a
becomes
10.
10. So 5 times it will go. 2 into 5 is 10. Now the remainder is 0. So your answer is 7.75 centimeters. Do not forget to write the unit. What is the unit here? This is known as the unit, centimeter.
Okay, sir.
Centimeter is the unit. Okay. This is the length. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir, understood.
Start doing it and find the diameter in each case in the same manner.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I had one query. Sir, how will we find out that, like in the first question, we got 1 upon 2 multiplied by diameter, so we will get the answer. So, how will we get to know that it will be 1 upon 2 or 2 divided by this 15.5? So, how will we get to get this?
You mean to ask in which way we should write it? This method or this method? You want to ask me that which method we should choose or something else?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
method you
yes,
can
sir.
use. Beta, both the methods are correct. The meaning of both the methods are correct. Here also I can write it in the same manner like I have written here. Both the methods
So, we
are
can divide.
in any way you can write it. Here also if I write like this, d divided by 2, this means 12 divided by 2. So what is 12 divided by 2? It's 6. Answer is 6 centimeters. So in any way you can write, you will get the same
Okay,
answer.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
You wanted to ask this only, that which method we should use.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I forgot the word method.
Okay. As far do you know that you are very sweet.
Thank you, sir.
And Abhiyan is very cute. Abhiyan, beta, are you doing it? अभियान ने अपना कैमरा का फोकस थोड़ा सा हटा दिया।
Sir, I have done all the.
वेरी गुड बेटा। So Abhiyan, what is the answer of the second part?
Sir, the answer of second part is 8.5.
नहीं, it is 9.5. 9.5 centimeters. Check करो। What is
Yes,
the answer?
sir.
What is the answer of third one, Abhiyan?
Sir, the third one answer is 16.
16. Third one. Fourth one बता रहे हो तुम?
Yes,
Abhiyan,
sir. Fourth one. And the third one answer is 22.
Third one, the answer is 22.5.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
And the fifth one is 43.5 and sixth one 77.5.
So what is second one?
second one is 9.5 centimeters. Abhiyan की जल्दबाजी में Abhiyan, check your answers. I am
Sir,
telling
but
you.
I got 95. Sir, I got 95 centimeters.
नहीं बेटा, it is 9.5. Let me show the second one. Okay. Abhiyan, check your answers. I am telling you all the answers. Okay. ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ मैं already. Second one, the answer is 9.5. Third one, the answer is 22.5 centimeters. Fourth one, it is 16 centimeters. Fifth one, the answer will be 23.5 centimeters. And sixth one मैंने अभी बताया है, this is 7.75. Sixth वाला check करो अभियान. Sixth one is there on the board also. नाइनटीन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. डिवीजन भूल गए बच्चे, इतनी प्रैक्टिस कराई डिवीजन की, डेसिमल वाला डिवीजन में भूल जाते हैं। हाँ, छोटी मोटी गड़बड़
Sir,
हो जाती
how will there be a decimal?
है। हाँ देखो अभी, you see the answer. 19 is not divisible by 2, so you will go 9 times, you get 18. Okay, 19 minus 18 is 1. So 1 is not divisible by 2, it is smaller than 2. So you will put a decimal and then write a 0 here. Decimal लगाने के बाद तो
Okay,
लिखना है.
sir.
Okay. So now you get 10. So 5 times 10 and 0. Answer is 9.5 centimeters. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
Do the remaining parts, all of you. अभियान कहाँ चला गया? He is gone. उसने 2 आंसर्स गलत बताए थे। Yes, Narayani, you want to ask something? Please ask. Yes, Narayani, ask in the chat box. You can ask your question in the chat box. Narayani is not getting my voice, I think.
So done.
Okay. Can you tell me your answers, Aspa?
Okay, sir. So first one answer is 6 centimeters. Second, 9.5 centimeter. Third one is 22.5
Wait,
centimeter.
wait, 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 wait. First is 6, second is 9.5, third one?
So 22.5 centimeters.
Correct, correct. Fourth,
And the fourth one is 16 centimeters.
correct.
Fourth. And then fifth one is 24 centimeters.
Nine,
And then
fifth is not correct.
and then the sixth one is 7.75 centimeters.
Sixth one is correct. Fifth one you need to check. Check the fifth one. In the fifth one, the answer is 23.5 centimeters.
So, sir, then it will be 23.5.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
23.5 is the right answer. Fifth one.
Okay, sir.
Others, have you all done?